Hello friends, we will be having this MoA Gazette or a series of videos where we will be discussing this newspaper, important editorials, issues, and recently seen in news. These kinds of topics are very much relevant to UPSC. So what I thought was we will have a continuous series of videos for prelims and mains. So anyone who has any topic to be discussed, you can put in your topics in the comment section as well, and also in the section of Minds of Aspirant Telegram channel, you can put there. We will be happy to discuss that. So let's go into the video. So hello friends, I am J.SivaRajaRajendran and this is Minds of Aspirant. Today the topic that we are going to see is about these refugee crisis which is happening, because today June 20 happens to be this World Refugee Day. There are so many articles as to the crisis of refugees in Sri Lanka and other places in today's editorial. But this is an editorial this is an article from a previous day, but this finds very important because this Rohingya and Muslim minority ethnic groups having this root in this Arakan state in Myanmar have been facing this religious persecution or ethnic and religious persecution from this majority Buddhist population, and this has created a lot of issues in terms of refugees all over the world. So that is the article, and they have since 1982 they have been facing this crisis. And look at this point. In this you have to note what is this United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. This is a very important international organization. It is associated with UN, and now you can check. They take care of all these refugees who are there in this part of or all over the world. And now you can check this problem or refugee Muslim minorities having this roots in this Arakan state. So what you do immediately is that Arakan state or Rakhine state, this is the point that you have to check. Come to this Rakhine state is somewhere here near this Bangladesh border, where or in this Myanmar is the place where you will find. And in this you can note down two important places, which is Sitwe. Sitwe is a very important place, and one more place that I wish you note down is this Cox's Bazar. You can check this point. Cox's Bazar is a place, and so this Rakhine state, Sitwe and Cox's Bazar forms a very important noted down. Look at this point. They have been refugees, or they have been denied this citizenship from the time of 1982. That's the point, and they have been prosecuted for a very long time. But now comes this point. They have taken refugee, or they have in India also they are there, but they are there present in this Cox's Bazar, this refugee camp in Bangladesh. That is the point that I showed you. But why I am interested in this world's largest refugee camp is that this question BDBD. This question has come in 2022 prelims. It talks about a refugee settlement in Africa. It talks about Somalia and other problems. This BDBD is the second largest refugee camp next to this Cox's Bazar now. This is why this becomes very, very important, and you can look at the place very closely. I will again zoom into that. You can look at the place and mark it down. Sitwe also you can mark it down. Cox's Bazar is in very close proximity to what is called as this Sitwe or Arakan state or Rakhine state in Myanmar, and this is how it forms a very important place in this. You can think about how they are being persecuted, and many are the problems. You can check the problems of what they face. Today there is an editorial also. Today meaning June 20, there is an editorial that will be posted separately. But the problem is that they are into human trafficking, or they are forced to human trafficking. Their boats are being drowned, and many violence against women and other things are there. All these things have caused a lot of pain and anxiety among the refugees. And today being this World Refugee Day, you can look into this crisis and other articles which are there in Hindu newspaper. I keep reminding of this fact. One newspaper is enough. No need of 2-3 newspaper. One newspaper, follow it religiously and diligently, you will clear this exam. So you can also click the Minds of Aspirant Telegram channel, which is the link is in the group. You can check that, join that, and you can ask for any other doubts that you may have. Thank you and all the best.